Alright guys, it's been great. Day 5 I believe. Here with Chippewa. Made some videos with Tim. On our way down to the last town before our break off, I believe tomorrow. Idaho Falls, which will be my break off to head home. Well, I miss my family terribly. This has been amazing. And just what I'm seeing and what Chippewa and I have got to go through, and what an amazing adventure. Thank you, Tim, for having me. Thank you to my family, immediate, soon to be immediate, extended, whatever, that supported me in this. Friends who have taught me many things, some about life, some about motorcycles. Some are encouraging me to do good things, and I know I sound like I just won a damn award. I'm sorry, but this is better than any award. This is truly amazing. Like, I don't even think this will sink in for many years how cool this really is right now. But it's cool, and I know it is. But man, what a wonderful opportunity I've been given. Thank you. You all know who you are. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, the top, the middle. I can never repay all of you.